gears a little bit. And we're gonna do it with a robot. I love this. I love the idea of letting robots clean for us. And the thing is, when you really think about it, we've been doing this our whole lives. Our dishwasher is basically a robot, a machine that cleans for us. Our washing machine, basically a machine that cleans for us. And now the iRobot Roomba is the same thing. It's a robotic vacuum. And that's what you have here with us. So I want you to think of, and all of the different things that you, and the features that come right along with this set. So this is the way that Roomba works. It's gonna come to you with the unit itself. You're getting 2 virtual wall lighthouses and the batteries, and you get the home base, and you get the remote control with the batteries. You even get a replacement filter that comes included. And with everything that you get, this is the way that iRobot cleans. It doesn't vacuum in a straight line like you and I vacuum. This has the technology that senses out the dirt and the debris and the dust and things like that that's on your floors, on your carpets, and it cleans in that in its own system. And when it's done cleaning, it will find its way back to its home because it does have a home base. And you can see the way that it works. And it's going over and over and over. And it, unlike when you and I vacuum, it may go over and over a spot multiple times just to make sure it's getting up and getting it totally clean. So I want you to think of a couple of different features that iRobot has. You've got a tangle-free feature, and that's important. So if you have, let's say, carpets with a fringe at the end, or you know, more likely we've got our plugs and cables and things on the ground, iRobot is not gonna get tangled in those. And this is, you know, years and years, iterations and iterations of iRobot. This is the best of the best and the latest in technology. And as you see right there, it's a customer pick on hsn.com. So it's got that tangle-free feature. It's got that airflow feature as well. And you were seeing the high efficiency vacuum that this has built into the iRobot. You've got, and you can see right there, this is a strong, powerful vacuum that can pick up the dirt and the dust and the animal hair and the debris and the, you know, the cereal, the coffee grounds and the things like that that get left on the ground, on the floor in our homes day after day. And by having you know, being able to clean the floors by literally pressing one button. You've got that button right there in the center. You press the button and iRobot, the Roomba, does the rest. You press it and it goes out and it just starts to vacuum. It starts to, with that high efficiency vacuum, it starts to pull up all of the dirt and debris that it finds on the floor. And remember, it goes around your room more than what we would do if you were vacuuming. Sometimes what we do is we'll go up one pass, down one pass, and then we keep on moving. The Roomba does so much more than that, as you can see. It's lifting up that dirt and dust and debris, and it's, with its suction power in that high efficiency vacuum, it's pulling it all in. And that is one of the features that iRobot does so well. All you do is press clean and Roomba does the rest. It's a robotic vacuum, that's what it is. And you could essentially vacuum your home every single day. Imagine how much cleaner, imagine how much fresher it would be if you could press a button and let your iRobot Roomba vacuum the carpet, vacuum the room, you go off, you go to work, you go to school, you go out, run errands for the day, and when you come home, you have clean carpet. You have a vacuumed home every single day, and all you did was push a button. That is why this is a customer pick, because it works well, and it works hands-free. So this is the iRobot Roomba 880 robotic vacuum, the one that you see right here. It's got that great sensor, that dirt sensor right up front. You've got two wheels underneath, so that's how this rolls. And do you see these little brushes peeking out? This even allows the Roomba to get really close to the edges, the corners of things. And if there's dust there, it can help to kick out that dust so that the Roomba can pull it in, can suck it in. You're also going to get the 2 virtual walls, and what that means in the virtual wall lighthouses and what those are that's what they are, exactly what they are. They're virtual walls. So if there's an area or a room or a space or let's say a staircase or something that you don't want Roomba to go into, you can set up the walls in such a way that the Roomba will not go past that virtual wall. But when they're not set up, the Roomba will just go around, find the dirt, and then when it's done, it will find its way back to its home base, of which you are also getting. And then you also have a remote control, which that's something that Roomba didn't originally come with. And so I like that you've got that feature as well. So from wherever you are, you can control your Roomba wherever you are in your home. And then of course you've got that filter, because just like with any kind of vacuum, because it's pulling in dirt and dust and debris and things of that nature, it's got a filter so that it can hold that dirt and dust and debris in, and it doesn't kick it back out. And when it's time to clean that, you can just rinse that out, pop it back in, and you're good to go. This is a holiday price. We took $80 off of our regular HSN price on this. $80 off of this. We don't normally do this. This is actually the lowest price that we have ever offered on this iRobot Roomba. It became a customer pick at the higher price, but if you want it, maybe you've been wanting one, you're saving $80 today. You've got free shipping, which is another about $14 savings right there. So it's about a $94 total savings by getting your